Here's a quick video on how to make your seats that wasn't powered seats. So as you can see, these are powered seats. The original seats that was in here was not powered. All you need is these two adapters. You could buy a whole pack on Amazon. I got a power tester so I can see what got power. I already tested this line right here. This is under the seat. It's for the console, but you can grab power from there. So only wires that matter on a power seat is this red one right here and this black one on the opposite side. Tap into those, you'll have power. This is for your heated and memory seats, which I don't have, but I'm gonna take that off. So this is what I did so far. Got two little pigtails, strip the wire back, put them together. I never cut them. Just take a lighter, burn it till it's melted, slide it back with the pliers. See that? So the wire is never broken, which you could do it either way, it doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap these up. My other pigtail, this one, it's gonna get power from here. And I'll show you that in a second. Everything's temporary put together. We'll go over it real quick. We tapped into the red here, coming from the seat. The black, this is all coming from the seat. And this is coming from the floor of your car or your truck. And we tapped into the black on there, black here, and then we tapped into the red here. Put the two clips together, and we should have power. So this is a Ram 1500. I got some power seats. The plug right here, this connector that came with the seat, it plugs into the one from your floor. And it has the airbag and all that sensors inside. I made an extra pigtail for the power seats. Tap into the red and black on the harness, and tap into the red and black there. Get you a plug them in. That's how you make your seats powered. That didn't come before factory. I had the regular seats that was not powered. It was cloth. You slide back and forth. Now the power works. That works. Also, the plug matches up, so the airbag light and all that stuff, it stays off. It doesn't come on the dash. And you just simply tap into from the seat harness, you tap into the red and black, and then you get power to it. You should have a plug over there coming from your floor. You can get these pigtails on Amazon, plug them in, and you're good to go. And then you have power seats.